At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A diet chart is a tool that can be transformative in managing your health and wellness. A diet chart is more than just a list of foods. It's a structured plan that outlines what, when, and how much you should eat to meet your specific health goals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your nutrition intake, or manage a medical condition, a diet chart provides a clear, personalized guide to help you stay on track. Let's explore what a diet chart is and how it can make a difference in your daily life. At Carepatron, we have resources for multiple diet food lists. Examples include Low Cholesterol Diet Chart. A low cholesterol diet chart is a structured meal plan designed to help individuals reduce their cholesterol intake and maintain optimal heart health. Its primary objective is to guide users in selecting foods that are low in saturated fats, trans fats, and dietary cholesterol while promoting the intake of heart-healthy nutrients. Balanced Diet Chart. A balanced diet chart is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle, integrating all the food groups to ensure proper nutritional intake. It promotes health, aids digestion, and supports weight management, offering health benefits like heart disease prevention and blood pressure regulation. Diabetes Diet Chart. A diabetes diet chart is a valuable meal planning tool for individuals with diabetes, helping them log and monitor their daily food intake. This tool educates users on making healthier food choices by providing a breakdown on the foods they consume daily. To understand how to use a general diet chart, follow these steps, which follow the low cholesterol diet, which uses a general format. Assess dietary needs. Before utilizing the low cholesterol diet chart, patients should undergo an assessment of their specific dietary needs. This applies to other diet charts as well. This step involves consulting with a nutritionist or registered dietitian. Familiarize the chart layout. Encourage patients to spend some time understanding the layout of the diet chart. Typically, these charts divide daily meals into categories: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This structure is designed to help patients plan and balance their nutrient intake throughout the day, making it easier to maintain a consistent and healthy eating pattern. Choose the appropriate food. Depending on what diet chart you're using, select the appropriate foods that are relevant to your diet. In this case, guide your patients in selecting foods that are low in saturated fat, trans fat, and cholesterol for a low cholesterol diet. Emphasize the importance of lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Many charts provide a list of recommended foods which can be handy references for patients. Document daily intake. Patients should document their food intake in the chart as they consume their meals. This practice helps them track what they eat and fosters accountability and adherence to their low cholesterol diet plan. Encourage patients to be honest and detailed in their entries, noting portion sizes and preparation methods. Review and adjust. Advise patients to review their diet chart at the end of each week. This review process helps identify patterns, both positive and negative. Patients can make necessary adjustments to improve their diet further. For example, if they notice a high intake of saturated fats, they can seek alternatives the following week. Conduct periodic consultations. Regular follow-ups are crucial. Encourage patients to bring their completed diet charts to consultations. This allows you to provide feedback, celebrate their success, and suggest improvements. Here is a sample of our diet chart to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.